Hello, yarn besties. I am the Crafty Crocheter, and welcome to this video. And if you like what you see in this video, become a yarn bestie and let's unite and subscribe to the channel. And so in this video, I am going to show you some of my current projects that I've completed. If you've been following along with me on some of my past live streams, I showcased a couple of these projects, so I'm going to go ahead and get to it. So the first one I'm going to showcase is for the bucket hat I made in yesterday's tutorial. So here it is. And basically, I like the way this turned out. And I know I said it in my tutorial, but I like the way this turned out. You see how the colors in the variegated yarn worked itself perfectly to where it gives that nice stripy effect, and it's not just like mishmashed everywhere. So this is a really nice hat. And the yarn used was a cotton acrylic blend, so this makes it a little of a lighter hat for like a summer or spring, because it won't make your head sweat too much as compared to this other one, which I first made. And this is more of a thicker cotton material, which should be more suitable for fall or winter. So again, go to my tutorial and check that out. All right, so the next project I completed was for, and if you followed along in some of my live streams, then I posted a video about abandoning projects. So as you know, I was working on a scarf with that My brand boucle yarn that I got at my local Goodwill. And as I worked with it, I did not fall in love with it. It wasn't working for me, so I abandoned that yarn and used a different yarn, which was a bulky weight number 5. It was from Premier. It was their Bloom series. And here's the completed scarf. Again, yes, I do need to wet block this, as it's not as flat as it should be, but I think it turned out nicely. And if you're wondering about this little slit that's in the scarf, that was part of the pattern, and I believe the reason is because you can just slip this end through the slit and it'll stay on without having to wrap it around. Of course, it looks like it could be a children's size, or it's aimed to be more like a woman's scarf, but of course it could be an ascot too, if you like to wear ascots and things like that. Of course, you can make this any color you want. So let me know below in the comments if you want to see a tutorial for this. All right, and then finally, the one piece that I've been mentioning throughout all of my live streams, that I've been working bits and pieces of it, and you may see in a couple progress pics on my community page and some of my Facebook page and Instagram. So I'll go ahead and show you now. It was for the Americana wind twirler / windsock project. Now, I got the idea from the summer 2026 issue of Crochet World. They had this project. It was like a windsock, but it was all flat. But I wanted to make it more three-dimensional, so here it is. I know it looks a little wonky up at the windsock because I did 60 stitches around these big hoops, but that proved to be a mistake, because as I kept working the single crochets, it kept kind of sinking in into itself. So I think the next time I'll have to double that if I make it with the size again. But I did 13 little stars on this blue banner. I think the stars came out nicely. And then there's the 4 wind twirlers on the bottom. And then I may add some weights to the bottom of this, like do tassels, or I may do some stars, just weight them down on here. So I think that'll look really nice. And I'm not sure if I want to hang this outside or anything like that, but let me know what you think in the comments. And I've gotten a few comments during my live stream that someone say, hey, you should do a tutorial for this. So let me know in the comments if you want to see a tutorial for this project. All right, so I'm going to address the elephant in the room. And if you just watched my recent live stream, I was having some internet issues at my house, and then it cut out a couple times, and then I ended it prematurely because I guess it wasn't gaining the traction that I hoped. I realized that I hosted it at an earlier time than when I normally host it, but circumstances dictated that it had to be done. So all right, so that's it for all my current projects, and I am working on my Blue Jay quilt motif project. I was working on some of the squares during my live stream, and I am working on the hat as part of that boucle yarn label project from the boucle yarn that I got at my Goodwill. Again, I'm using the same yarn as I did for the hat, for the scarf, so I cannot wait to see how that turns out. All right, so hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, and create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Be there for one another. Help each other out. Be kind to one another. Pay it forward if possible. Love yourself. Be true to yourself, and don't let anyone deter you from your true path, no matter what they say. And stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important any time of the year, in any circumstance. All right. So I'll have a couple more videos coming down the pike, so some ideas for that. So again, if there is a suggestion out there for a video idea that you want to see addressed in a future video, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to accommodate that. Take care of yourselves and each other.